How to manage tabs in Google Chrome. Managing tabs effectively in Google Chrome is essential for a streamlined web browsing experience. Here are the different tab management skills you should master, along with the steps for each skill. Steps: Tab management in Google Chrome. 1. Opening a new tab. Opening a new tab allows you to visit another web page without leaving your current one. Steps: 1. Click the plus icon next to the last tab. Or press Ctrl+T, Windows/Linux, or CMD+T Mac. 2. Opening a link in a new tab or in new window. Opening a link in a new tab lets you explore linked content without navigating away from your current page. And opening a tab in a new window helps you manage different tasks or projects separately. Steps: 1. Right-click on the link you want to open. 2. Select Open Link in New Tab. Or Open Link in New Window. Or press Ctrl, Windows/Linux, or CMD Mac, and click the link. 3. Closing a tab. Closing tabs you no longer need keeps your workspace tidy. Steps: 1. Click the X icon on the tab you want to close. Or press Ctrl+W, Windows/Linux, or CMD+W Mac. Or right-click on the tab and select Close. 4. Reopening a closed tab. Reopening a closed tab helps you quickly recover tabs you might have closed by mistake. Steps: 1. Right-click on any open tab and select Reopen Closed Tab. Or 2. Press Ctrl+Shift+T, Windows/Linux, or CMD+Shift+T Mac. 5. Moving a tab. Rearranging your tabs can help you keep related content together. Steps: 1. Click and hold the tab you want to move. 2. Drag it to the desired position in the tab bar. 3. Release the mouse button to drop the tab in place. 6. Pinning a tab. Pinning tabs minimizes them and keeps frequently used tabs accessible. Steps: 1. Right-click on the tab you want to pin. 2. Select Pin tab. 3. The tab will shrink and move to the leftmost part of the tab bar. 7. Unpinning a tab. Unpinning a tab returns it to its normal size and position in the tab bar. Steps: 1. Right-click on the Pin tab. 2. Select Unpin tab. 3. The tab will return to its normal size and position. 8. Grouping tabs. Grouping tabs helps you organize related tabs together, making it easier to manage multiple tasks. Steps: 1. Right-click on a tab. 2. Select Add tab to new group. 3. Name the group and choose a color if desired. 4. Drag other tabs into the group to add them. 9. Ungrouping tabs. Ungrouping tabs removes them from a group and places them back in the regular tab bar. Steps: 1. Right-click on the tab group name. 2. Select Ungroup. 10. Using the tab search feature. The tab search feature helps you quickly find specific tabs when you have many open. Steps: 1. Click the down arrow icon at the top right of the tab bar. 2. Type keywords to search for a specific tab. 3. Click on the desired tab from the search results.